Good morning. I'm Glenn Thomas with Wildcat Cardinal. I'd like to show you around in our new 36 mid bunk. This is her. Got extra storage, pass-through storage here. Plenty of full storage for all your goodies that you want to take along. Got a beverage opener. Got hookups outside for a television if you have the need for it. Also a spray port so you can rinse things off as needed. Around over here, up here we got our power patio awning with the lights in it.
Absolutely.
Let's step on inside. We've got a 32-inch wide door. Solid set of entry steps. Grab handle. The mid bunk that we have here is, I consider this the family mobile. It's a family mobile with a kid's cave. If you come around and look inside the mid bunk room, it's one of the only mid bunk units that's on the market where the loft is inside the bunk room. One advantage of that is we've got a third air conditioner in there. That seems to be a kind of an issue with mid bunks, is the cooling in the mid bunk room. With this unit, you've got a third air conditioner that's in there, so you can actually refrigerate that room if you choose to. Rear sofa makes into a bed. Got a 39-inch LED television, fireplace with a remote control. So when you're on those late night cool nights, you can turn that on from the recliners over here. Theater seating on this side. Got a dinette booth. One thing that's unique about our Wildcat and Cardinals, underneath the dinette seats, we store cornhole boards. You take the seats up, got a cornhole board stored underneath each one of the dinette seats, one under each side. The cushion has a piece of wood in it, so when you take the boards out, you can still use the dinette cushions. That also makes into a bed as well. 12-volt compressor type refrigerator. Residential microwave, stove with an oven, nice big pantry. Lots of storage in this unit. Got soft close drawers, eliminates from you having to have a latch on the drawers. Storage underneath the kitchen sink, a place for a trash can. A lot of units, that's the last thing they think about is where you put the trash can. Nice big sink, spray faucet. This unit, as I had mentioned, comes with 3 air conditioners. Standard is 1, but you can add a second and a third. Of course, naturally in Texas, most everybody's going to add that 3 package on it. But the way that operates, we can't run all 3 at the same time. So we've got an energy manager on this that cycles the main air conditioner and the third air conditioner. So that just, it cycles. You don't have any problem with amperage. So it's very user-friendly. Theoretically, you can just go turn all 3 of them on, let them run. You don't have to worry about turning this one off, turning that one on, and so forth. It manages it for you. Control panel, where all your tanks and awnings and all your functions of the camper, tanks, water tank levels, all of that. Has an on-the-demand water heater. This is a control unit for that. This is the monitor for your energy manager that manages the second and third air conditioner. Just more storage. Come on up the long hallway. Got a nice big bathroom. Nice shower stall with a skylight for somebody that's extra tall. Seemed to be the thing needed in most fifth wheels. Up in the master bedroom, we have a king-size bed. Got a wardrobe across the front. Got some shoe storage boxes. Completely across the front wardrobe. Got a nice big dresser here for all your clothing needs and storage. Big drawers. There again, soft closed drawers eliminate you from having to have a latch. You got storage under the bed, so you can put your blankets and extra pillows and things of that nature. Over on this side, we've got the washer and dryer in this unit. That is an option, but United RV has equipped their Cardinal Reds with the washer and dryers. Nice dark window shades, pleated window shades, so if you want to darken out the room, certainly can do that. Another little touch that we do is we put some coat hooks here and there right inside the door, a couple of hooks here. That way you can hang your hat, hang your coats, that kind of thing. Just another little touch, USB ports, 110 electric ports. We try to put those where they're needed. Tinted windows on all the Wildcats and Cardinals. There again, the dark shades. That seems to be a necessity in the campgrounds. People want to have them dark shades where they feel like nobody can see in when they want to have the privacy. But the tinted windows is also a benefit as well. Well, that's about it. Come out to United RV. This is the family mobile with the kids cave. It is the most affordable fifth wheel on the market right now. You have a Wildcat 1 36 MB, a Cardinal Red 36 MB. Basically the same unit, just different color and graphics. But great value in that price, $59,999. Come out to United RV and get you one.